YouTube, I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for being here. I'm glad y'all get to see me. I don't get to see y'all, but I do get to talk to y'all sometimes. I need to remind y'all about my 2,000 sub giveaway really quick. My 2,000 sub giveaway was months ago.
Oh.
And do you remember who my most valuable sub was?
Daisy Chung.
Daisy Chung. Grandma Miss Daisy Chung. And she won most valuable sub. She's here all the time, commenting on almost all my videos, has more of her family.
We love you, Daisy Chung.
Yes. So she started watching the channel because her son likes, or grandson rather, likes shoes. I can't remember her grandson's name. I think it's Daniel. But I'm not 100% sure, but I need to find out, because she, rather than asking me to buy a $600 shoe or something like that, she's like, you know what, we'll just wait until my grandson really wants a shoe. You try to get it for him with the squad for retail, and we'll just do it that way. That way you don't have to come out of pocket a whole bunch of money for the shoe. I'm like, hey, thanks. I really appreciate that. And I think that's cool too. So she messaged me on Instagram before these photons dropped, and she said, hey, can we try to go for it? I think this one was she wanted a 9 in this one, or 9.5, whichever one it was in this one. So I've got a squad of people at work that do this with me for the really hyped releases. And actually the person that hit for this is somebody I don't normally bother for this stuff, but it's Travis. So I was like, hey, would you mind? And she hit on it. And I didn't coordinate everybody to go for the size 9. So unfortunately this is a size 11. It's not his size. But we're going to keep trying. Hopefully we'll get something for him that he really wants. But before we go any further though, I mean, Brittany got me this shoe, so thanks a lot. But before we go any further, we need to recognize the sponsor, our sponsor, and the channel sponsor.
Jesus!
Jesus, thank you very much. Matthew chapter 27, verse 46, Jesus was hanging from the cross.
He said, my God, why have you forsaken me? And then Hebrews 13:5, he says, God will never leave us or forsake us, because when we believe that, because Jesus took all of the forsaking for us.
Jesus was taking the
yes.
forsaken. So thank you, Jesus, for taking that forsaken so that I don't have to be forsaken and I can spend eternity and every minute with God.
Sorry, I wanted to steal your thunder.
Right. I've got several people that want to buy this shoe for me. The price went down significantly since they came out, because there are 80,000 of these in men's sizes released. Oh, and I actually got another one. I got a size 3 also. I don't know what I'm going to do with that one, but I don't know if I'm going to keep
Maybe I'll buy it from you. Give it to Jackson or something.
No, I'll sell it to you for $200.
Okay, never mind.
I want to see this. This reminds me of the Undefeated Dunk Low that was all black. You remember that one? Had a horsehair.
I
swoosh.
do.
I was all hyped about that. Got it, and it was hideous in person.
Didn't it have ostrich dots or something?
Yeah, it had some ostrich on it too. So I don't think this is going to be hideous, but
I do like this box though. That's cute.
I did tell myself though, if I like it and the resale price drops below $400 before I get the chance to sell it, then I'll more highly consider keeping it. But I think I got a $675 offer. I think $675 is what I said. They're selling for like $700 on StockX, so you got to pay fees on top of that. But if I sold it for $700 on StockX, I'd only get like $600, so $675 was nice. Means middle to the face-to-face people that were interested in it. So box all black. We get Nike Air. We get Cactus Jack. We get a Sicko Mode, Smile and Frowny, and Wings logo.
Air.
And they're like debossed and shiny on the flat box.
That looks good. Good. That looks good.
So this is the outer sleeve. I like this box. I like this box. This is your classic Jordan 1 box, but like those, that's a Jordan 1 box up there.
Sorry, that was really
grade school, but it's all blacked out. I think that's pretty cool. All right, this is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP. That's why they're not calling these TSs. Some of them are actually TSs. Like this is a TS. No, CJ. Rather. This is the Nike Air Max 1 CJ. But
I don't know what that means.
This doesn't get the CJ Cactus Jack.
Oh.
It's black, Phantom black. There is some white in it though, I believe.
It's like the stitching is white. Shiny inside.
Mirror
on the wall. In the box.
Okay. This just makes you feel thuggish.
Ooh, what a thug.
OG, not original, but original gangster. With the bandana wrapped shoes.
That was actually a cute bandana, though.
I didn't know this.
Me neither. I feel like I'm unwrapping a bento box.
A bento box. Holy cow! Boom.
Let me. I can't see. Boom.
Give him some B-roll.
Oh wait.
Oh, this is
Shh.
we get some.
This is B-roll. You can't talk during the B-roll, bruh.
All right. This is actually cool. I thought
Shaking my head.
I didn't expect to
Ooh.
see. Look,
Bruh.
I didn't expect to see a Jumpman sicko mode.
Oh, let me have one of those.
Jumpman sicko
Put it
mode.
in my hair.
There was something else on a Cactus Jack somewhere too, I think. So I didn't expect to see that. I mean, I don't really care about this, but
While he's talking about that lame bandana, we have the red Cactus Jack to go with the red laces.
Oh yeah, give it a smell.
Goodness.
It works. The smell works.
Smells like a famous footwear. Look at those crazy laces. And the black laces?
So
Ew, I don't like these laces. They're like
waxed, yeah. I got 2 pairs of these. I got this, my size, and a 3. And my nephew Isaac hit on his pair, size 10.5, also on sneakers, I think. And he put these on his feet as soon as he took them out of the box. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I like them a little more than I thought I would. Oh! Look at that. I cut my finger on the.
Hold on, it's not gonna focus.
Don't
I'm
get
just
blood
kidding.
on 'em. I cut my finger on the cardboard.
And the
Look
cardboard.
at that.
Give me finger on the cardboard. Oh, I thought you were gonna throw that at me. Because I was making fun of you.
Alright, let's see. I believe we're probably just gonna get a. What's it called?
Polyurethane.
No.
Aristocat?
No. Yeah, it's just trash.
What is the other one? I don't remember. Ortholite.
Ortholite, yeah. So we get really nice nubuck on the toe and side panel.
Really nice.
Decent suede around the toe. Actually, I like the suede around the toe.
You didn't even say the nubuck on the swoosh, bruh.
I didn't get there yet.
Well, you should have.
I don't even know if that's nubuck, but it might be. It's a different nubuck. Otherwise, it's the same Cactus Jack.
It's like
I do like all of the white stitching and the white logos on the back.
You. Oh.
Bleeding. I'm literally bleeding.
Literally bleeding.
So I do like
you-
these.
Bruh.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's fine. Just go ahead. It's okay.
Get it.
I
Get it.
can't. Your thing is dumb.
All right, let's feel this sock liner because the sock liner's now throwing me for a loop. It's only around the heel sock liner. Give that a feel and a close up. What would you call that?
Fuzzy.
Yeah, fuzzy.
It's like the backside of like a. No, it's kind of like a sponge.
Let's check these.
Like the fuzzy part of a sponge. You know?
Red. I don't like those. I don't like either of these, and I don't like the black. So.
You know what I would do?
What?
Oh no, I wouldn't. Never mind. I'd just put white laces in it. I was gonna say pink, but the red and the pink is just buh.
I'm okay. I think
Unless it's all a unless it's a Valentine's Day shoe.
Not that pink. Here we go. Here's a Travis Scott pink. That's a Travis Scott pink. Oh,
Yeah,
I
but
could
if
do that.
the Cactus Jack said was white, like this little red part
Yeah, I
was
don't
white.
care. I'm okay with that. I would do that.
Hmm.
Would do that. Here we can see what the white might look like.
Yeah, the white is.
Yeah, actually, the white's probably better.
Oh yeah.
All right. Don't get blood on it, Daniel. All right. So, I mean, I don't think there's a whole lot to talk about with these because they are fairly, just kind of.
The bottom looks blue. I think it
It
is.
does kind of look blue.
It's like navy blue. What
It's
ifs?
either black, phantom, or black. No, but I like the stitching. I mean, I'm fine with this red here. I know we've talked about not really liking the red on shoes, but at least it's not red and blue.
Oh god, I would
Fuzz
throw
kinda
these in the
throws me
trash can.
off, but I mean, it's a Travis Scott one low OG, and I paid $150 for it. So whatever I paid. No, I didn't. I paid $200 for it. I did go ahead and give a little tip to the squad. But we're gonna keep trying to go for Daisy's
9 or 9.5.
9 or 9.5. But what I'm saying is for her most valuable sub prize because she still hasn't asked for anything other than just for me to go for some of these. But we're gonna keep trying. Unfortunately, I didn't communicate to the whole squad. I think I only went with 6 accounts for the 9, and then the rest of my squad that was remote, not here in this house, just went for my size 11 because that's what we always go for, and just any size in the other one. So we ended up getting 3, and that was the only other one. So y'all let me know what you think about these down below. Tell your grandma about the Jordan 1 low OG
Except for don't tell
Phantom
Daisy
Travis
Chung,
Scott.
because she already knows.
Yeah, you don't need to tell Daisy Chung, 'cause she's going to be right here watching. But if you tell your other grandmas, then they should be right here watching with Daisy Chung, and y'all get some grandma chat going down there in the comments. So I like these. Again, like I say in other videos, I don't care too much for Travis Scott. I do like his shoes. If I heard a Travis Scott song, I would not know that it was him. And
Me either, to be honest.
if you told
TBH.
me it was a Travis Scott song, I would probably not recognize it. I just don't really care. But I do like his shoes. I'm not trying to support him necessarily, but the collabs he does with Nike, you know, they're pretty good. So thank you all for being here. Thanks for giving us a look. If you're here all the way until now, smash that like button if you're here all the way until now. Unless you just hated the video and you're still here till now, smash the dislike. But tell me what you think in the comments down below if you didn't. And tell me what you think about these. Would you keep these if you could make $475 on them?
Absolutely not.
You'd sell them.
I love money over shoes.
The love of money is the root of all evil.
I like money a lot.
Yeah, I probably won't get them. But after seeing them, I do like them. So I got to do some hard thinking. But y'all let me know. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what I should do, because by the time this video goes live, I'll probably still have them. So let me know. Thanks for the support. Thanks for being here. I'll see y'all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Ah! Shoes.
And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.